Hi guys, my name is Joshua. So today I'm going to show you how to put in your Samsung washing machine into test mode. First you press these buttons, then you press the power button. I'm just going to put it over there. Then you press this button, you turn the dial around to type plane, and you can press the start pause button, which will start this thing, and you can press the temperature button, and it starts to fill up water, or it fills up another water, or you just press the cold water level again and it goes on to spray. Then when you press the hot water that you have no hot temperature in it, it doesn't add hot water in it. Or you can pause that, or then you can drain water out. And the water is draining out, and then you press that button back on. Then it stops and it pumps out a little bit water, because then when you press that, and when you press that, and then when you go to quick wash, it says spin. When you press the start pause button, it goes onto 00. Then it changes any number, and I'll show you. And it spins, and it's going to spin faster. It speeds up to this number, and it goes like this, and the washing machine is still spinning faster, but if you press the pause button, it stops. Then when you go to delicate hand wash, it goes on drain. When you press this button again, look what it does. It drains water out, but when you open it, it doesn't stop. The bulb means it's not going. Then when you close it, if you don't want to leave it open, you just leave it closed. Then to stop it, you press the start pause button, or you can just turn it off. Then you're back in your washing machine, and then you're allowed to do anything you want in your washing machine. Next time I'm going to show you another thing. Bye.